Hey you guys, today we're gonna make Father's Day goodie bags. So these goodie bags are gonna be for my brother-in-laws. So I'm gonna start with this clear goodie bag that I always have. And this is a 9x6 regular bag and it has the sealable top. So we're gonna need 3 of those. I'm making 3 right now. 1, 2, 3. The first thing I am adding to the goodie bags are car fresheners, air fresheners. Look how cute these are. So they have this one that is in Cool Breeze. This one is in Fresh Linen. And then I got the Berry Cherry. So we're going to add the air freshener into each goodie bag. Now you can do the same, but I decided to mix it up and get 3 different colors. I thought that would be very cute. Now I'm not sure if I want it here or I think that side. Can you guys see all 3 goodie bags? Yeah. So you can go and check out your local Dollar Tree for the air fresheners. That's where I found them. And I always give an air freshener to my husband. So these are perfect. Let me tell you, they are perfect. And they work very well. The next thing that I'll be adding to the goodie bags are a snack. So I got the Nut Harvest whole cashews with sea salt. I picked up the Mixed Nuts Deluxe. And then the in-shell pistachios. And they were $1.99. You can find these at Walmart. So I'm going to go ahead and put the whole pistachios in this one. Oh wow, that looks really good right there. Now these are just small goodie bags, nothing big. Just in case you're going somewhere and you have a ton of fathers there and you want to give them something small. This is, you know, a cute little treat for anybody. And then the whole pistachio. Oh, that is adorable. Look at how cute they already look. This would be a great gift for anybody, let me tell you. The next thing I'm adding are World's Finest chocolates. And I added a little bow at the top. So I'm going to show you really quick how I put this together. Just really quick so you guys. I grabbed a pretzel bag. And for, if you want to know what it is, it's just a bag this long. And it has a resealable top. All I did was I put the chocolate inside the bag and then closed it up. Simple. Grab some of my dollar store string. And I'm going to go ahead and use the blue one just to show you really quick how I did it. Grab a little bit of the string. You're going to grab the string and fold it in half. You're going to grab the top of it. And you're going to do a knot. Really tight. Like that. Go ahead and make another knot. Just in case. Cut the string if you have anything attached. Grab your scissors. And what you're going to do is press on it. And you're going to bring it up till it makes a little curl. Look how cute that is. And that's it. You have little curls. If you want to do it tighter, just make the curls tighter. See? And look how cute that is. It has just a little top on there. So yeah, you can add as much string as you want to it, as little as you want. Optional. Let me see if the chocolate fits. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, it fits perfectly in the side. So that's actually where I'm going to add it. So there's one. I'm going to add another one on this one. So Either way, I thought it would be perfect, you know. If you want to go ahead and do Hershey Kisses, you can do Hershey Kisses. That's optional as well. They'll fit in the little pretzel bags. Trust me, I already attempted that. Go ahead and check out my Instagram if you want to see how those came out. But look at how cute this is. This is a cute, affordable goodie bag right here. Okay, so I want to add 2 more things. Let me grab a marker. For each goodie bag, I picked up a gift card of $15 to their favorite like place. That 2 of them said McDonald's, and another one just wanted the 15 in cash. So I thought that was fine. I asked anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna write the amounts on here. I'm just gonna circle the 15, and on this one as well. So I thought that was pretty cool. So let's add the McDonald's gift card and the back, because I really want, I want the goodie bag to show. So they're not even gonna know that they got a gift card if you don't turn it around. Wait, I don't want it to show like that. Sorry. I want it to show like this. See how cute that is? So I'm going to add that in the back. And I'm going to add this one in the back as well. So yeah, these are pretty cute, affordable gifts. Isn't that adorable? So for the other one, I made my little own gift card holder. I made it out of paper. And then I added this on the dollar store to attach it. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to add his $15 in cash. And I'm going to fold them 3 times. And then once you add it in here, it should fit. Let me see. Did it close? Yeah. And then that's it. You have your cute little money card holder. And the 15, he wants it in cash, so we're going to give it to him in cash. No, you know what? I think it should go on this one since the treats are. Ay, ay, ay. So since it's going to match, I don't mind putting it in the front. Which I could have done anyways. No, but you know what? Doesn't it look funny like that? So how about we add it in the back as well? I'm going to add it in the back of the air freshener. And there you go. So they each have their gift cards in here. Let's go on with the next step. So for each one, I made a tag in a topper. And then for the last one, I did it in blue. So I made each one a tag in a topper. So all I'm going to write is their name on the tag. And my name. That's it. So this is it. So what should I write? I'm going to write hugs and kisses. Susie. And that's to Alex. So we're just going to add it in the back as well. So I know everybody's names. I'm just adding it in the back, you guys. Then once we're done, we're going to remove it, the seal. We're going to bring it in. And all we're going to do is fold it in. Look how adorable that looks. I'm going to grab my topper. I'm going to fold it. And I'm going to add it on the top. And I'm going to staple it with a stapler. And that's it. You have a cute, affordable goodie bag that is make anybody happy. Let's grab the second one. And this is for hugs and kisses. Yeah. Turn it around. Add the topper. Make sure everything looks presentable. Let's close it up. Let's grab the topper. And these I made. Really easy to make. I'll link one of my videos that shows you exactly how I made them, just in case you're interested. Easy peasy. The last one. How cute is that? You have 3 matching little things on here. Perfect. Seal it up. Grab your topper. And you're set. How cute are those little goodie bags? How you can take them for Father's Day, for your uncles, for your grandpa. You can give this affordable little bag to anybody if you don't want to waste a ton of money. And still comes with a snack, a chocolate, something for their car, which you know they're going to love. Custom gift card. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, you can pass them out like that or leave them on the table. I think they're going to love them. I'm going to put them in individual bags. Now, I already had these bags, so I'm still going to go ahead and use them, which I don't mind. They're from the dollar store, and you get 3 for $1. Since I didn't have a green one, I was going to go ahead and just use the yellow one. If I would have had one more of the blue, it would have been perfect. Now, let's see if they fit in here first. Actually, that's not bad at all. I'm going to show you right now real quick. Let me raise up my camera, see if I could raise it up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Yes, that's my chairs right there. How cute. So I'll put I think I'll put this one in here since it's green. And I'll put the red one in the yellow. I think this is so cute. Now, you know I love using a good piece of tissue. You don't really need it. I think this is adorable as it is. But if you do want to add some tissue, which you can, go ahead and add some tissue. I have this beautiful blue tissue that my friend Chrissy had given me a while back. And it has 4 sheets. So that's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And it's a shiny, look at how shiny. A shiny blue. So it has 4 sheets. I'm going to go ahead and use it on these gifts. Oh, look at the back of it. You can also use that. I think that'll be cool. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to pinch it in the middle and shake it. And this is so cute. I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of the 2 gifts. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to show you real quick. You pinch it in the middle and you shake it. Just shake it. And then you add your tissue onto your gifts. And it covers the whole thing, so don't think it does not. I'm going to do the same thing again. Shake it. And that's it. So you have right here, you have affordable goodie bags that you guys could take to any party. Let's say you're spending Father's Day with the other side of the family. Go ahead and give them a little something. I'm telling me, they're going to appreciate it. If you just want to make an affordable gift, they're going to love it. Either way, they came out super adorable. And I just had to share them with you. And yeah, happy Father's Day to all the Father's Day out there. You guys, I hope you enjoy it. You guys deserve the same appreciation as a mom. So yeah, happy Father's Day. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. I'm going to go ahead and leave my Instagram as well as my email, just in case you have any questions. And until next time, bye you guys.